Alright, what's going on, guys? Today we're going to be learning how to call a function in Python. So if you're enjoying this series, please consider subscribing and leaving a comment and a like. It would help me out a lot. Thank you so much for sticking around. Now that we practice how to define a function, let's learn about how to call a function to execute the code within its body. The process of executing the code inside the body of a function is known as calling it. This is also known as executing a function. To call or execute a function in Python, we simply just need to type out the name followed by parentheses. So let's visit our directions to times square function. To call our function, we just type the name followed by a parenthesis and no indentation. Now, if you watched the last video, you know I messed up on this part, but now you know. And then calling the function will execute the print statements within the body of the function. So it's just gonna do whatever the function says, basically. And then you can only call a function after it's been defined. Now it's our turn. Let's go ahead and call the directions to times square function. I'm sure you guys can type this out, but we're gonna just run it like this. There you go. And then add an additional print statement for our directions to time square function. Run your code again. Alright, let's go and see. We'll do print. And then we can run this again. And it's gonna also display that one. So that's basically how you call a function. It's really easy, really simple, and it's really fun. I suggest you try it. But with that being said, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one, and have a fantastic